When you build an app with lots of searchable content, whether it's products, articles, user data, media, having a strong search engine is crucial. You want search that is fast, relevant, easy to integrate, and scalable. Two major players in this space are Algolia and MeiliSearch. They share many features, yet differ in philosophy, pricing, control, and who they best serve. In this video, we'll walk through their strengths, limitations, and help you choose. Let's begin with Algolia. Algolia is a fully managed search-as-a-service platform that has been around for a while and is trusted by many production apps. It offers multi-region hosting, very low latency, a rich set of features including typo tolerance, faceting, filters, ranking configuration, analytics, A/B testing. For developers, this often means you can spin up a search index quickly and rely on the infrastructure to handle scale, performance, and global reach. Studies note that Algolia provides a highly customizable, fast, and easy-to-use search engine built for web applications. Because it is a managed service, you trade some control. The pricing model tends to depend on number of records, operations, search requests, and sometimes features like personalization or advanced analytics. MeiliSearch's documentation points out that Algolia's model can be prohibitively expensive for small and medium-sized businesses. Now let's turn to MeiliSearch. MeiliSearch is an open-source engine built for speed, relevance, ease of integration, and developer control. According to its docs, it offers features like search as you type, typo tolerance, faceting, JSON indexing, and can deliver responses in under 50 milliseconds. Because it's open source, you can self-host or use their cloud offering. The pricing model is more predictable and friendly for smaller apps. The trade-offs: the ecosystem, enterprise features, advanced analytics, and global infrastructure are not as mature as Algolia's. Some articles note that while MeiliSearch matches many features of Algolia for typical use cases, it may have fewer integrations, less extensive language support, or global edge networking built in. Neither choice is wrong. The best search engine is the one you'll integrate well, support reliably, and make part of your product experience. Try both. Many offer free tiers or trials. Build a sample index, test your dataset and workflow, compare cost and performance, then pick the one that fits your project and team. Good luck building the search experience your users deserve.